Just a few weeks before launch, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra specs seem to be mostly uncontested by leakers, but one frequent point of discussion is whether the change in camera specs would benefit or hurt long-distance shooters in the long run. The 12-megapixels 10x telephoto lens seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is set to be replaced with a 50-megapixels 5x lens on its successor. Whether the megapixel bump compensates for the reduced range is the question. Ice Universe, a leaker with a respectable history regarding all things Samsung, has now spoken on the matter, claiming to have seen camera samples, and he's convinced that this is, in fact, an upgrade. Many people are pessimistic about the quality of the 10's images shot by S24 Ultra, and I was too, until I saw the samples comparison that he uploaded on X a few days ago. After seeing the contrast, I could declare that capturing photos at 10's zoom was absolutely worthwhile. In a follow-up post, the leaker notes that the 5x camera might require more time to optimize. However, I want to draw attention to the fact that Samsung has not yet completed the S24 camera software. Perhaps they are too busy. S24U's better than S23U is all very promising. How precisely might a phone without a 10x telephoto lens be better at 10x photos than a handset with one? Perhaps the new 5x camera needs more time to optimize. Two ideas immediately come to mind. First, although if the S24's rumored new lens is just 5x, it does feature a considerably greater megapixel count, 50 megapixels to 12 megapixels, than the S23 Ultra's 10x lens. This more detail could just enable the handset to trim a 5x zoomed picture with more clarity. The latest brilliant trick Apple performed with the telephoto-free iPhone 15. The inclusion of artificial intelligence, which Samsung is set to highlight with the S24 Ultra, is the second option. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset designed for AI, computational photography already makes a significant impact on many camera devices. Although invitations haven't been handed out yet, it has long been rumored that Samsung would debut the S24 family during an event in San Jose on January 17. The outcomes here might be greater than ever. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.